Hi everyone, welcome back. Well, I'm having a special guest with me right here today, all the way from the tech world. Well, I still remain your number one tech go-to guy, and the special guest with me today is Jet Set Barry himself. Well, I'm so sorry. I know some of you might be expecting someone else's, so I'm just sorry for the disappointment. Well, we'll be discussing today on how to activate night mode on your PC. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. How do you activate night mode? And moreover, what is night mode? Night mode is a program, a software that Windows introduced to enhance, to care for the eyes, so that the brightness won't be too much for the eyes. Even though we reduce the brightness, while we are working at night, the screen might be too high for us. So how to activate night mode on your Windows 10 and Windows 8? You just right click on your desktop, select display settings. Then from the display settings right here, you can see night lights right here. So you can put it on immediately if you don't need it, or you can turn it off. So, and you can also do some settings to select the time when you are needing the night mode. Maybe it's 7 o'clock p.m, 6 p.m. You can just select any time you want. Then after setting it, it's all done. So I hope this video has helped you on how to activate night mode on your Windows. So don't forget to like our video, share, and also subscribe. Thank you very much. And if you have a question, you can just drop your question in the comment below. We'll reply as fast as possible. Thank you. Have a great day.